This is going to show you how to properly set up your Canvas courses. I figured since I have to switch on mine for next semester, I go ahead and make a quick video on how to set that up. So, just as I ended last semester, I have all my semester 1 stuff on here. I'm only keep my ones open that I have are currently teaching, so I'm going to go ahead and switch all those out. So I'm going to switch out my first semester courses for my second semester courses, and then I'll go ahead and hit my dashboard again, and then my new ones come up. Now I've already set up my 7th grade class as a test to make sure I knew how to do it. So I'm going to set up my 8th grade class on here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. I'm going to go to my settings, and then I'm going to go ahead and say I want to import course content. And I'm just going to use a copy of a Canvas course. I'm going to use my last semester's course. Now, mine's laid out a little weird because I have a bunch of classes. I have to go all the way down to the bottom to mine, and I want to click on my first semester, 2018-19, and I want to click on my Technology 8 class that I'm trying to import. I want to go ahead and import all the content. I don't do the adjust dates and things. I will just do those as I go about, but you can do that if you want. So I'll hit import. Now this will take a few minutes to do. I went ahead and did this one, and it took about 3 minutes to get everything copied over, but there's a lot of content. Depends on how big your course is on Canvas or how small it is. That's going to rely on your time. So I'm going to go back to home. Once I click home, everything will start looking a lot more familiar for what it looked like last semester. All of my tabs and things should be there. Just going to go back into settings real quick, check some more stuff. I'm going to run through mine and just make sure all my settings are correct. Don't worry about the start and end dates, not really a big deal. Sections, make sure all your sections are there. Navigation is another one. You need to make sure that you have the home, modules, announcements, syllabus, and I have Drive, just Drive in mine. A lot of other teachers will have Clever in theirs, but we don't typically use Clever in my class, so I don't have it on there. But you have to have those things on there and in that order for sure. So I'll look back over here to apps. I don't have any apps in mine. Feature options. If you've seen a lot of teachers that have the cute little picture on theirs, that is this one right here, the enable dashboard images for courses. So I turn mine on. I'm going to go back to course details. I'm going to hit update course details, and then my cute little picture that I made will pop up at the top. So go back to home. I have all those. Now we're not done yet. Unfortunately, when you copy a course, since that course was done, I have everything is published, which if you're starting a new semester might be a problem, so you'd have to go through and uncheck all of that, but I'm not going to do that entire thing. Last thing that I would make sure that you do is to obviously publish your course so that kids can actually see it. And then something new for us is to make that new module that has e-learning assignments at the top of it. Again, make a new module, click on that plus sign, name it e-learning assignments, and make sure that you drag it to the top. Something else we'll have to remember to do too, that a lot of teachers forget about when we're setting these things up, is actually choosing a home page. So you click on choose home page, go to your home, whatever that would be, click on choose home page. We want it to be our course modules, so make sure and flip it to that, hit save, and that way every time that a student gets into your Canvas, they will be actually logging into your modules every single time, so everybody will see the exact same thing. Hopefully this has helped you set up your course to make it to where everything can kind of look the same for students and parents both when they get onto your Canvas. And if you have any questions, see Mr. Hebert.